Okay, in this problem, they give us a bell-shaped symmetric curve, and they tell us 50% of the voters support a new tax, and they polled 93 voters, and they have these boxes underneath certain areas on the curve, and they want us to fill them in. So you kind of have to interpret a little bit here. Well, right down the middle, we know that that's going to be the mean. So that's the mean of our sample. So the mean of our sample, of our proportion actually, is equal to the 0.5. So this right here is 0.5. 0.50, okay? That's the 50%. Then you'll notice that we have these other two, and they're 2 tick marks away, 1, 2, 1, 2 from the mean, and you have to interpret those as 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviations. So this is 2 standard deviations below the mean, and this one is 2 standard deviations above the mean. So to figure out the standard deviation, remember the formula, you have to do this. You have to do p hat q hat over n square root to find the standard deviation. So I think we can do that. We can do p hat is 0.5. That's the proportion. Q hat is 1 minus p hat, so that's also 0.5. And n is 93. So you have to do 0.5 times 0.5, divide that by 93, then take the square root. And I got 0.05185. So now to find each one of these, this guy over here is the mean minus 2 standard deviations. So it's 0.5 minus 2 times 0.05185. So I got 0.4. And this one is the mean plus 2 standard deviations. So it's 0.5 plus 2 times 0.05185. And I got 0.6. Okay, so that's how you do that. You have to interpret that these mean 2 standard deviations away. You have to use your formulas to find the mean and the standard deviation. So I hope that helps.